Okay, so how do we read our Tukey comparison table? So you'll see here we have it broken down by all treatments, but they're not necessarily in the treatment order that we provided them. They're actually in decreasing mean order because that's how the comparison is done. You'll notice that's a common theme in these post hoc tests. This time, we're not using our confidence interval. So remember, this is the same data. This is actually the same data that we used in way back in our ANOVA one-way video and in our confidence interval table and in our Fisher LSD table. And so because of our ANOVA, we did see that one of the treatments had a significant effect. But if we look at these confidence intervals, they all overlap with all of them. They're all overlapping, which if we use the confidence intervals, we would say, well, there's no significance. So we're not using our confidence interval. This time, we're using this grouping column. And the treatments with the same grouping letters are not significantly different. So as we saw in our Fisher and our confidence intervals, treatments 3, 2, and 4 were not significantly different from each other. They're all in group B, whereas group A, treatment 1, was significant from the rest. So that's how you tell. If they share a letter, they are grouped. But what if there's multiple groups for one treatment? So like treatment 3 here, we have A and B. So in this example, treatment 3 is part of group A and B, and that means that there's no significant difference between the treatments in group A and the treatments in group B. But some groups in A and B are significantly different. So that means everything in group A, treatment 1 and 3, are not significantly different. Everything in B, treatments 3, 2, and 4, are not significantly different. But treatment 1 is in A, treatment 2 and 4 are in B. There's no overlap in the groups. That means they are significantly different. So this is actually almost the same data. We just changed one number, and because we have so few samples, which is not appropriate, this is just a learning experience, we were able to move our treatment 3 mean up slightly enough so that it's now part of both groups. So that is how the grouping works. If they share a letter, they're not significantly different. If they don't, they are.